Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be doing another mukbang, and I'm gonna be eating this Vietnamese snack called Bánh, Trôn. It recently started getting more common, and I'm so excited. It's one of my favorite dishes. It consists of rice paper, beef jerky, dried squid, peanuts, rau rum, which is this like herb thing, quail eggs, and then tamarind sauce. Okay. So good, guys. So this is very common in Vietnam as like a snack, just like a cheap little snack. It's good, but it's really hard to find good ones in the United States. I have to search around all over for this, but the places I found don't make it good. So this is homemade. It's really good. This is really good. Like super seasoned well. And yeah. I'll be right back. Okay guys, sorry, mild interruption, but this is why I don't do ASMRs around the house. Shut up. God, I'm just trying to do a mukbang. I can't lose fools around here. Oh, I forgot. There's mangoes in here. Like, green mango. For that extra punch of tanginess. And shrimp. Baby shrimp. So good. I think this is a perfect snack that everyone will like. Ingredients are simple. Prep everything, mix together, serve. And it's just really good because there's so many flavors all going around your mouth. You got spicy, sweet, savory, sour. Is that right? No. It is really good. Texture, so many different textures. It's a must try. Guys are looking at me so If you guys want more spice, you guys could add satay, and that's an Asian chili paste. Super spicy. It's really good. I don't know, so many different flavors in this dish, but everything works well. It's just really refreshing, yet savory at the same time. I would love for this dish to get more popular in the States, because everyone would be shook, I tell you. It would be like the new BuzzFeed thing, like the new Facebook thing. It's so good. Wow. That's gonna be my thumbnail. I can't finish this. I gotta see this for later. Well, that's the end of my mukbang. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.